Join me as I put the EZVIZ home security system to the test and see if it really takes my home security to the next level. EZVIZ is a leading brand in home security, and in this video, I'll be exploring how their innovative products can take your home security to the next level. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing system or start from scratch, EZVIZ has got you covered. We're living in a world where home security is more important than ever. With increasing crime rates and rising concerns about safety, it's no wonder that people are looking for reliable solutions to protect their homes and families. The truth is, traditional home security measures just aren't cutting it anymore. Burglars are getting smarter, and it's becoming easier for them to bypass old-fashioned security systems. That's why it's essential to stay one step ahead and invest in a system that's designed with the latest technology. In today's world, home security is not just about preventing break-ins, it's also about having peace of mind. You want to know that your family and your belongings are safe, whether you're at home or away on vacation. But how do you achieve that? The answer lies in having a system that's not only reliable but also proactive. EZVIZ products are designed to detect potential threats before they even happen, giving you the upper hand when it comes to home security. The stakes are high, and it's no longer just about securing your home, it's about protecting your loved ones. That's why you need a system that's capable of detecting even the slightest anomalies and alerting you instantly. With EZVIZ, you can rest assured that you'll be the first to know if something's amiss. Let's take a closer look at what makes EZVIZ products so innovative. Their smart cameras are designed to capture crystal clear footage, even in low light conditions, and their alarm systems are equipped with advanced sensors that can detect even the slightest movements. But what really sets them apart is their ability to integrate with each other seamlessly, creating a comprehensive security system that's unmatched in the industry. With EZVIZ, you can customize your system to fit your specific needs. Whether you're looking for a simple camera setup or a full-blown security system, EZVIZ has got you covered. Their products are designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to set them up. Plus, their mobile app allows you to monitor your home security from anywhere, at any time. Imagine being able to see what's happening at your home in real time, no matter where you are in the world. With EZVIZ, you can do just that. Their cameras are equipped with advanced motion detection, so you'll be alerted the moment something suspicious happens. And with their two-way audio feature, you can even communicate with someone who's at your door, even if you're not there. Let me tell you about a real-life scenario where EZVIZ technology prevented a crime. A homeowner in California had installed an EZVIZ camera outside her front door. One evening, a suspicious individual tried to break in, but the camera detected the movement and alerted the homeowner instantly. The police were able to respond quickly, and the would-be burglar was caught in the act. This is just one example of how EZVIZ can take your home security to the next level. Thanks to EZVIZ, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home and family are protected. Their innovative products are designed to give you an added layer of security, so you can focus on what matters most to your loved ones. In conclusion, EZVIZ takes your home security to the next level by providing a comprehensive and reliable system that's designed to detect potential threats before they even happen. It's time to take control of your home security and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home and family are protected. What's your take on home security? Have you had any experiences with EZVIZ or other home security systems? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and reviews.